Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Daddy's Barbecue Pit. This week we are going to make some candied jalapeno pimento cheese. And today I got Riley, the Steak Princess, with us. And we're going to start off, we have a softened block of cream cheese already in there, 8 ounces. And to that she's going to start by adding a 1/4 cup of mayo to this. And then she's going to move on and we're actually going to add in the candied jalapenos. And those are exactly 1/2 cup of those as well, chopped. And then we're going to move into 4 ounces of the pimentos that have been drained. And our seasonings. Today, what are we using?
We're using Riley's Sweet Rapture. And then we're also using How to Barbecue Right, AP, and Boys Night Out Double Garlic.
We're going to start off probably with a 1/2 teaspoon of each with this, is what it looks like she's putting in. She's going to mix this really good with a blender, and then we're going to fold in all the other cheeses that we'll tell you we're putting in. So we have here some shredded cheese. We have a 1/2 cup of mild cheddar, a full cup of regular just cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar, and then 1 cup of smoky chipotle fontina. So she's gonna go ahead and pour this in and mix it. You don't wanna overwork this because it's gonna start breaking down that cheese. She's just gonna like fold the mixture together. See what it looks like after it's been all folded together. Okay, so typically you're gonna leave this sit in the fridge, let it set up for about an hour or two. Longer, probably better. Get all those flavors melt together. We're gonna go ahead and give this a try. We seasoned our pork rinds with Killer Hogs, the hot barbecue rub, and you could use this with anything. You could use chips, crackers, put it on a burger, make just a pimento cheese sandwich if you want to do that. Make it your own, dip vegetables in it. We're just going to use these pork rinds and give it a try. Well, I guess I'm going to use these pork rinds and give it a try.
I've got a pork rind.
I know you want just to try just a little. There you go. Just a little bit.
Just a tad.
We're going to give this a try. That's damn good. Give this recipe a try. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Where can they find you at, Riley?
Y'all can find me on all social media platforms at Steak Princess BBQ.
Get you some of that.